Walking, meditative, the Runyon Canyon Rock Mandala. Which I created in March 2008. And if it's been destroyed and I put it back together, Mandala means temporary. It's temporary. People, negative people do stuff. Positive people put it back together. It's Runyon Canyon Rock Mandala is the Facebook. And you can come up here and walk the Rock Mandala. It's meditative, peaceful, the labyrinth of a circle. If you get lost in this Rock Mandala, you got some shit going on in your life. That's all I can say. But when you find your way out, it's been resolved. You've made a decision. That's what's wonderful about Rock Mandalas. You know, this is not that long to walk in here. I've got some oranges. I'll eat in the middle. It's all about being positive, coming from a positive place, coming from a spiritual place, coming from a place of up-being. How can I be of service? How can I help someone else? How can I come from a loving place? Because at the end of the day, that is what life is really all about. It's like, where are your feet? Oh, oh yeah, that's right. They're right in front of me. So be in the moment, be in the now, like Eckhart Tolle talks about. And Emmett Walsh. I was going to say Emmett Smith? No. But, you know, stay. Here's the coming to the end. You know, every path has a spiritual path in it. And that's what you want to be able to do, is follow the spiritual path. Didn't fix that rock yet. I will tomorrow.